Good morning, everyone. John Kielec here. This is Wednesday morning, October 31st, 2018. And this is what I am presenting to you, the live trades right now. Today's a pretty good day that started off that way, so hopefully it will continue to do throughout the day, even though it's the Halloween day or night, and we're going to be going out with the grandkids. So far, it's a lousy, rainy day, but it's supposed to clear up later today. Anyways, try 90K plan. The DailyNetPay is the main business sector plus the advertising platform that all businesses need in order to profit from their business. Every business needs advertising. Without advertising, nothing happens. And this is where it all starts. One link to promote it all, 3 different DailyNetPay packages to earn great income. What our greatest income is, and you're going to see what's happening today and what's happening each and every day almost, is the real listing income plan to earn for $600 plus per month. And this is based on crypto, forex, currency, private trade shares, real trade shares, and that's where you're going to see. This is for DailyNetPay package number 1. You buy $20 PTS private trade shares. The return is $150, profit $30. For more information, visit DailyNetPay.com and go how it works. Now let's go into the trading. All right, so as you know, I am trading the GBP USD. GBP, it's the British pound. Again, there's 6 British pound currencies, and I love them. This is where I trade the most, and this is I keep track of it. Anyways, what you're gonna see in here, when you're going to examine some of these charts, and I'm not going to go into great detail because you won't know much about it, but anyways, my sell order is over here. This is our sell order. This is sell order. This is what it's called London daybreak, okay? This is, you can see, 3 o'clock in the morning, and the reason the London daybreak, I call it, it's a system, because 3 o'clock in the morning, this is where European markets open, like London, Asia, and whatever. U.S. markets don't open till 9 o'clock in the morning, 6 hours later, depends on the time frame. But anyways, you know, this is where I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From 3 o'clock in the morning, I go 5 candles back, and whatever is dominating bars, like we have 4 green ones, I mean, the market is trending upwards. We go opposite of that. So we have 4 green, 1 red. It's down. This is a sell order that I would place, but it's going different direction. As you can see, because it's in a downtrend and it's a London daybreak sell order, so it went up. There's the resistance, there's downtrend. This is a green line. It's a resistance. So I placed a sell order right over here, and we got in. All right. So this is 1. Right now, against the British pound against the Australian dollar, same thing. You know, over here it was 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 red ones. That means market down, and 3 o'clock, 1, 2, 3, and 2. So this was, you know, actually it was supposed to go for order up, but I got it for order down because major trends are directing down. Sometimes you have to study the markets and know what you're doing. But anyways, you know, the market, it is going up, but that trade, we're not touching it for now. It doesn't look so good to me. Next trend, okay, I just got into here. I'm going to show you that later. This is British pound against Japanese yen. And once again, in here, this is all markets are like down trading. You can see this is a major downtrend, okay? And how you see this, okay, if we go in here and just go like, put a down line like this, you can see this is a downtrend, okay? So what's happening in here? The same thing. Same thing in here, the sell order, because it was 3 o'clock in the morning. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 2 red, 3 green. So green is dominating. For the up market, we go opposite, sell orders over here. It's not filled, but we had the major resistance up here, which is the green light, and I placed my sell order. Okay, so this one is another trade. All right, I'm just gonna take this thing off for now because we're gonna come back to that. This is British pound against Canadian. Okay, same thing in here. It was a sell order, which by London daybreak, which, you know, 4 green ones dominating upward market. We go opposite. This was 10 pips below the 3 a.m. lows. We would place a sell order, but I know the market is downtrending and went up in here, so I placed an order over here. And lastly, New Zealand against the British pound against New Zealand. This is once again, okay, sell order. This is 3 o'clock in the morning. You can see time 3, October 31st, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 against 1. 4 green ones, upward market dominating. We go against that, so we go downtrend. Sell order over here, but that's not filled because the market currently is trading up. But I took advantage of that, and I placed a sell order over here. Lastly, okay, is British pound against Chinese currency, okay, and this is, as you can see, I placed my sell order right over here. And this is what's happening. So what's happening? Let's bring out the chart, the profit charts. Okay, these are the current charts. You can see the 2, 4, 5 trades that we have. Okay, date 31. Okay, this one is going like these prices right now. It's over. We're almost 800 right now. We have like $5,000 profit. There you go. All 5 trades just change. They vary, but once again, we're gonna come back a little bit later, and we're gonna see how much profits we're earning. So I'm gonna pause the recording for now because these are the live trades, and I am trading, as you can see, 100,000 lots. This is $500,000 in trading right now. All right, so I'm gonna pause this, and we're gonna come back. Okay, John Kielec, I'm back again from pausing the recording, and we're examining the British pound against USD. Actually, British pound against USD. Actually, we want to go into British pound against Japanese yen. All right, because that's the one that I am interested in. This is what's happening. And you can see this is my sell order over here. I'm just going to enlarge that. It's over here. So we are in the profit. Okay, we got 181. The other trades are falling behind, but that's too early to tell yet. I want to, when we break over a couple $100, like right now, I'm going to exit that trade. What's happening, it could maybe go more down because it's got 3 bars, but why not? Let's take this trade 220, 225. Let's exit, and we got the trade. Okay, so I'm going to come back with the rest of the markets later. So far, we have over $200 profit from one trade. The trading continues on. Once again, I'm going to pause it and come back later. Okay, once again, I'm back, and I'm checking right now on British pound against USD. We have $71 profit. The market are turning. They're beginning to go up. So we're going to take this profit right now of $86. Okay, and let's exit the trade. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so there's another. Now we got 3 more trades. This one's coming down. These markets, you know, sometimes they go up and down, but there's another trade. We made $86. So once again, I'm going to pause the recording and come back later when we have other profits. Okay, once again, I am back, just checking up what's happening, and then let's examine our current trades and what's happening. So we already have made a little over $300 so far. That's about 8-9% return. And right now, this one, British pound against U.S. dollar. This is where we made our profit in here. But also, I want to look at, let's look at the next one, Japanese yen. This is the profit that we took over here. This is British pound against Canadian dollar. And this one, okay, it's playing with us right now. Okay, you can see our current trade, GPD Canadian, we're 12.796. This was almost in profit, wasn't in profit before, but I have a strong belief that this will come down. This is our selling price in here. See the black line? That's our selling. So I believe this is the order that it's going to be. The other ones are, you know, up and down. Like I say, the markets go up and down during the day. This is a $5,000 account, so we're risking, I'm risking up to $500 per trade. Okay, so it's 250 to 500. So far, we have 2, and these 3 are in the works. Also, we have another trade in here, New Zealand dollar, British pound against New Zealand dollar. Okay, this is the trade that I didn't show you. This is the signal that we got. That was at, actually the signal came in 8 o'clock last night. The market was, it's a downtrend market, but you can see in here was in the channel. See the green line and the other green line? Well, this is the resistance, okay? Also, we got the pivot point. Pivot points play important roles. And once again, I'm not going to go into details about it because most people don't know that. But anyways, pivot points, when I go the pivot point is the red line. So the pivot point got in here in the red, green, red, red. Okay, and this one, the resistance got broken. It just went tiny way up, but it didn't close above that. So there came a sell signal in here. And also when you look down, the RSI, stochastics, RSI is above the red line, it's crossing, so that's another strong signal that the market's going to go down. Then, once again, in here, this is, you can see the black line in here, that's the support or the ceiling over here. Then that was the floor, that's the resistance, that's the support, and that also was the support over here, and it broke that over here. So once this broke, it indicated a strong signal down. This was a good trade. Not every trade is like that, but I say this was a good trade. We got a sell signal over here, which once again you can see from here. Let's make this red. Okay, and you can see from here where this happened, okay, went across the other way. And that also indicated that the market is weakening, or maybe it reached its bottom. We got the exit point in here. We have 241 pips, nice trade, $2,410. Wow. Okay, I wish every trade was like that, but it's not. And right now we are in the continue in this market. Okay, when we've got exit, there was stopped out at 1 o'clock today. So then there was placed order, and this is the one we're running away in here. You can see, okay, where are we? Close time over here. We're 44.7 pips away or something like that. So you can see when I go down here, these are the current markets that we have right now. Okay, so, and let's go over here on this chart. Okay, all right, the GP New Zealand. There we go. All right, so this is the current one right here, and this is the trend. Okay, let's go in here. Okay, so right over here, GP New Zealand, that's the one that it's taking us into a little hole. Okay, GP New Zealand, 52 pips below everything. So, you know, sometimes you just gotta wait out. This is like only, you know, a few hours into the trades. But anyways, the market, we got a sell signal, sell order over here. My order, sell order was over here. So we should get retracement at least 50% of this support of yesterday's market. So, you know, we should be seeing a profit somewhere over here. And we did have a little profit over here, which I should have took it. But I believe we'll get back here by day's end. And once again, today's Halloween, so hopefully by 3-4 o'clock I want all these trades closed, and hopefully all of them will be profitable. Like right now we're trading a little bit. Look at this 5.9. That's probably going to be the next one that's going to go into profit. So once it's in the profit, I will let you know. I'll pause the video and we'll just keep going. Okay, I am back again. We're looking at British pound against Canadian dollar, and it's hovering. It's going up and down. Okay, all right, 457, 304. But you can see in here the market is touching the red line. I'm not going to tell you about analysis again, but looks like the market, it's got its weakness. It might go up. So right now we're 457. I'm going to take the profit, $10. Okay, if we can get in there, we got a $10.65 profit. It's a small one, but it's better than losing. So we got 2 more trades and we got a little ways to go. But you can see, you know, this one, the British pound against Canadian dollar, about 40 minutes ago, we were minus $200, and now we came ahead. But like I say, it's been going up and down, and the only reason in here, let me go this, like that, you can see that they're consolidating in here. So the market might, it's 50-50 which way it's going to go. But I just want to be safe, because in here, this is major support, so it might go back up again before it goes down. So we got a little bit of profit, so it's better than a loss, and I'll be back again with the other trades. Okay, it's almost 3 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is Toronto, Canada time. Anyways, we still have 2 open trades, and they are losing trades right now, but I do not give up yet. And this is the British pound against New Zealand, and the other one is British pound against Chinese currency. So anyways, I believe they're going to retrace back, so we're just going to hold off in here, and I'm going to place a limit stop loss above this one, above this limit, and the other one, I'm going to place the stop limit over here. Okay, so we are going to move on though, and I am going to be, that's going to be it for today, because today is the Halloween, and I want to get ready with my granddaughter to go on. But anyways, okay, what we have in here, what kind of return we had today? Okay, well, the first one was $86. That was the profit. The second one was $202. Muffed this one up. Okay, let's start this all over. Pull up the calculator. $86 on the first trade plus 202.86. And what else? We have another one in here. This was another small one. Oh, I keep doing this, okay? All right, let's pull up the calculator again. I'm in a hurry. Oh, this is why. Okay, first one is 86 plus. Second trade, we had 202. So we already got a plus up there, 202.86, and plus, so we had the third one. Okay, plus 10, 0.65 equals. Okay, so that's $299. Now, each of them trades, it's $1,000 margin deposit, okay, and basically the account balance was 5,000. But okay, so I forked out. I used $3,000 in here. So basically, to figure out what kind of percentage we earned today. So there was 3 trades, $3,000. So we'll divide that by 3,000, and that equals 0.009. Now we gotta bring that 2 decimals out. So basically, we got almost 10% return today. And okay, so if we take 3,000 times 9.9%, it'll give us $297 return. So today's profit, okay, was pretty good so far. Okay, I'm gonna say 3 trades equals what was that? $299.51, or 9.9%. Okay, so this is what it is today, and that's pretty good. Okay, not taking into the consideration that we still got open trade in there. Okay, and these are still okay. That's beginning to come down. All right, so there's that one. But like I say, I'm gonna place limit stop losses in there, and they're gonna let the system do it by itself. But also, we have that other big one in here where, you know, last night and went out till this morning, or this shortly after 12 or before 1 o'clock, there was another profit of 24.10. That almost doubled the money in here. But like I say, these trades, you know, don't come often. They do come often. I mean, once they do, we find them. That is great. Okay, and I was watching this because this was a sideways channel in here. You can see the resistance was over here. There was another support over here, and our RSI broke over here. They crossed. There was another cross on the bottom. See the red line? That's the top. The bottom one is over here. So that was a nice profit. You know, these trades that they do happen, and that's where people make lots of money. But like I say, if we can catch, you know, a couple trades like that per month, that is great. We can, you know, double our money or whatever. But, you know, not every trade is a winning trade. So that's the trading methods. That's the trading industry. And like I say, over here we have these. I don't believe we're going to lose this, but, you know, it's coming down. Oops, and this one, these two are still running. So once again, this is what's part of the DailyNetPay. This is the main business sector plus the advertising platform DailyNetPay. But one thing, the DailyNetPay, the Ad Pak number 1, or actually it's package number 1, it's no more Ad Pak, because this is the crypto forex currencies private trade shares, where I take some of your money that you buy, the $20 PTS, you can buy them in single, 5 lots, 10 lots, 25 lots, and 50 lots, and I put it into those trading accounts, and you get 150% return. And this is the plan. So we're gonna have more meetings, more trades like that. You're gonna see as we trade, and this is, ladies and gentlemen, real. This is as real as you get. Okay, this is not some get rich overnight type of program, because I am doing the live trading, and this is what you are going to have, and this is how you're gonna earn income from the DailyNetPay, the package number 1, the private traded shares. All right, so until next time. And today is the Halloween. Happy Halloween to everyone. Hope the night is scary and brings. Just watch out for those who are coming to trick or treat. Okay, enjoy it. Thank you.